A new creamery, which will be the only facility in Wales certified to supply the big supermarkets, has opened in Haverfordwest. Pembrokeshire Creamery says Welsh milk will no longer need to be sent to England for processing, meaning it can be delivered from farm to shelf in a more efficient and sustainable way. Our West Wales reporter Lewis Rhys-Jones has been invited to take a look around the state-of-the-art facility.
It's less than a month since the opening of this brand new creamery, but operations are already running like clockwork. Empty bottles are filled up with fresh milk and labelled before being loaded up ready for supermarkets and consumers.
The milk comes within about a 30-mile radius from the factory. It's all clearly produced in Wales. It comes to the factory, it gets processed in the factory, it gets bottled in the factory, and it's actually out to the retailers within only Wales. What we all should be concerned about is the food miles that's being created by the way it was. For fresh milk to go into retailers currently, it's all being produced in Wales, as in the milk's available, but it's been transported over the border to England. The consumer, we feel, wants to see the milk staying in Wales that's being packed and processed in Wales.
For anyone that's never seen inside a milk processing factory before, they might be in awe of this. But just give us an idea of the scale of this operation. How much milk comes through here? How many people you've got working here?
The people that we're working here are about 65 people currently. We're still recruiting, so within a few months that'll probably be about 80 people. We are currently producing just under 1 million litres a week. And we have the capability of producing about 60 million litres every year.
Now, I must admit, when I'm making my first cup of tea in the morning, I don't give much thought into how our milk bottles are filled up. But these empty plastic containers start their journey on this conveyor belt where they make their way into the room next door, and within minutes, they're filled up with fresh Welsh milk before ending up on our local supermarket shelves.
Pembrokeshire Creamery has ambitions to become the leading supplier of Welsh milk. However, the sector has faced challenges in recent years, with other dairies going to the wall. So does the managing director of this creamery feel confident they can make a success of their company?
Absolutely confident. We, the shareholders of this business, have went about things the right way. They've brought in experience from the liquid dairy industry. There is a clear gap in the market. Farmers are buying into that. The discussions that we are having with farmers who now want to supply Pembrokeshire Creamery with their milk, they want to make that commitment to us. So we have a customer base. Once you have that customer base, you can start to build that business.
There are plans for further investments in the new facility, meaning the creamery will be able to double its capacity in 2025 and create more jobs in future. Lewis Rhys-Jones, ITV News, Haverfordwest.